how do I start the keto diet?
So this might sound like, hey, why are we talking about this? But my dad finally, I've been, we kind of drip on our family members that are closest to us because they're the ones who don't like to take our advice. And he finally texts me, and this has been a great opportunity to connect with my dad about the keto diet. And he's, like, how do I get started? So I was about ready to go into these long series of texts about this is how you do it and that's how you do it. And I was like, wait, we have the Keto Planner, right? I said, would you do a planner? It has everything you need to know to get started. And so that's what I said. Would you do a digital planner? And he said yes. So how do you start?
Yeah,
right?
So number one is to figure out what foods you can eat on keto. And the internet is a wealth of information. In the planner, there's a keto food list. So get a keto food list. There's a bazillion websites out there. Take a look at all the foods you can eat on keto and write out the things that you like. The foods that you like on that list. Then you can take a good hard look at that list and figure out what makes sense.
Right.
So it's really just understanding, that's your first challenge. Understand what we do eat on keto and what we don't eat on keto. Don't worry about macros and all the complexity in the beginning. So once you kind of feel comfortable with that and you're looking at the list and you're like, wow, there's a lot of foods that are amazing on here that I was told are off limits on my normal low fat, high carb diet. Once you're feeling comfortable with that, then invest in my 7-day online course called the 7-Day Keto Challenge. It's only $29 and it teaches you exactly how to go through step by step and figure out macros and how to do it with an online tool so that you don't have to sit there and do math and figure things out in a complicated way. We also talk about how do you meal plan? Once you have your macros, how do you figure out what to eat?
Yeah.
And it's got tons of downloads. It's got restaurant guides. It's got all kinds of information. So it's only $29, 7-day online course. And you can get that at wholebodyliving.com/challenge. So those are the two best things to do to get started on keto. Of course, on this YouTube channel, on Tara's Keto Kitchen, there's a whole getting started YouTube just playlist that you can go through as well. The difference between that and the challenge is that I take you through with intentionality on teaching you how to set everything up and also on focusing in your mindset, changing how you think about failure so that when you make a mistake and slip up, you don't just quit, that you keep on moving forward so that you can reach your goals.
Right.